of the answers that I'm seeing are really, really good. So um, I want to start. There's a bunch of them. Oh, they're flying through. But this one around projects is so good. Here's the thing about a job and big tech is that when big tech lays off, typically this is when a lot of folks who have been really well trained, who have interesting ideas from things they thought they could do better, but the bureaucracy stifled them, or it wasn't the main focus of the business, get a little bit of time, energy, and some capital from either severance or from friends and families or just from savings to start building new things. And the trope is, of course, that the best startups are built in downturns. And not only does that mean you have to start a startup, but it means you can join a startup, you can start a project, you can start building your portfolio to continue developing your skills. You do not need Facebook or Amazon or Google on your resume to say you are a developer and you can build cool stuff. You just need an idea. And if you're not getting a job, some time to start building. And that will actually, funny enough, not just invest in yourself, it will help you stand out from other folks. It'll help you in those next round of interviews. It'll help you when the job market materializes or you're able to find one opportunity instead of 10, get in the door and close that one faster.